Kapuso, siguradong good vibes ang dala sa atong chikahan this morning tungod kay atong makauban ang iladong content creator and vlogger from Cebu ug karon ga-explore sa Mindanao. Let's welcome din sa At Home with GMA Regional TV si Miss Chardy Remorta aka Bethany Gale. Good morning Bethany and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka? How's your morning?
Morning, okay lang kaayo. Just woke up. Angtod karon maglisod gyapon ko realize di gyapon kay siya mo singken sa ako ang narinig ko sa Davao nagpuyo finally, but so far so good and I'm so happy.
Basta ka karon sa mga sikat kit kaayo sa social media tungod sa imong mga contents as Bethany Gale. Curious namin nga nung Bethany Gale and how did this all start?
Okay, medyo awkward ni siya i-share to be honest because Bethany Gale is one of the characters sa medyo adult movie nga akong gitanaw. It's a Filipino movie. It wasn't really my choice to use Bethany Gale kay when I created my very first TikTok that went viral out of nowhere. Kay when you take in calls mo good sa call center, of course you have to say your name on your opening. I was thinking of something else and then kay mo itong pinakauna or pinaka-last na kung nga nakitaan mo to niya ako, thank you for calling. This is Bethany Gale. How can I help you today? And from there on, kay murag gatumo-to siya ni viral ang video and then people have been calling me Bethany Gale. I accepted being called Bethany Gale na lang.
Daghan ang nalingaw sa imong mga patok nga videos online nga diabot na og 1,000 views. Unsa ba ang impact ani sa imong kinabuhi and unsa sa ang mga changes na nahitabo sa imong life ilabi na nga usa ka karon sa mga ginakonsidera nga content creators?
Well, sa ako personally, I wouldn't really say nga na-do something and a change because I'm still the same person as I am. Maybe lang na ay maka-recognize na ako when I go to places. Let's say for example, katong atong Bohol, na ay maka-recognize, na ay magpa-picture and all that stuff. And also when I was looking for a job, when I was applying, medyo nakaila po ng recruiter. But I wouldn't really say it's an advantage all the time. But yeah, I am still very grateful. Though sometimes na ay mga inana, no, nga ganun na maginasara. Pero still grateful gihapon ko because I wouldn't really be where I am today without the support of my followers and the people that I love and my friends.
Apart from all these positive comments kay imong nadawat isip Bethany Gale, gusto na mo mahibalaan kinsa ba si Chardy Remorta sa likod sa camera?
Chardy is actually a shy type person. Mauwujud ko mo nang most of the time kay na maguban jud mi kung ato kog mall maguban jud mi ni Christy because Christy is like my exact opposite. So murag perfect gani among balance among contrast together because siya super hyper ako kay ana lang. So sakto lang ang among yin yang. So what most people don't know about me is I also suffered from anxiety, but right now I am getting better and I am so much better. Pero naman po yung mga experiences in life nga makaingon ka, actually dili di ay ngari di ay ko dapat dili di ay ko ngadto.
Also mas nipatok sabang imuhang mga contents especially sa mga Mindanaoans tungod kay gina-share nimo ang imuhang experiences while you're staying here. Who pushed you nga mulaag or moanhi dinhi sa Mindanao ug ang pangutana sa tanan, are you staying here for good na ba?
Am I living in Mindanao for good? The answer is yes. Why? When I moved to Bohol, it was my choice. When I visited Mindanao, it was also my choice, but not for the same reason of relocating here. But I fell in love with the place because Mindanao is like the perfect combination of Bohol and Cebu. And I was like, pwede di siya ang combination of both. So that's why, nana ko na rin ako nagpuyo. And I have thought of just really living here. And all throughout the course of my life, I learned that you have to live where your heart is happy. You have to live where you have peace of mind. And you have to live a life that you would be proud of. That's why I found all of those here.
Truly, usagyod ka sa mga gahatag o kalingawan sa atong mga kapuso viewers sa social media. So do you have any message of hope naman or words of encouragement sa tanan natong mga kapuso viewers, especially sa imong mga fans?
Maura dyan na akong may kasulti pa dayon. So please continue what you are doing. Maybe you feel like sometimes you're sad. You feel like sometimes kapoy. But always go back to the time that you have surpassed all of those that you have surpassed just for you to be where you are right now. Never compare your story to others people's success. Kay lain-lain man taog timeline.
Thank you so much, Chardy, aka Bethany Gale, sa good vibes ngay mo hang gihatod ka na mo karong buntaga dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Good luck and please continue to be the reason for everyone to smile. Stay safe!
Thank you, daghang salamat. Kita-kita ta.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.